Vanakkam and welcome to my fashion book. This is Jaya. In this video we are going to see some cotton fabric I bought in online, and this is not a promotion video. I'm just sharing my experience and I'm going to give a quick review of this fabric. Now I'm unwrapping the package and this is how I received. They just packed in a polythene cover and wrapped with a packing tape. I was not satisfied with the packing, but I received all the fabrics without any damages. Now let's see the fabric. First one is the brown color with maroon print, top and bottom. This is the top. I bought 4 meters, and this is the bottom, 2 meters. The next one is bottle green top and mustard colored bottom. Next one is indigo color with maroon print, and this is the bottom, 2 meters, and the top is 3 meters. Let me open and see. This is a soft cotton. This is the wrong side of the fabric and this is the right side. I bought this fabric from Katran market in Delhi, referred by YouTube channel Shweta Diraj. I have given the link in the description box, and the fabric details, price and shipping charge also I have given in the description box. Let's see with the dark color. This is the wrong side and this is the right side. The fabric is very soft and nice. The print is very beautiful. The quality is good. All the fabric is 120 rupees per meter and the width is 44 inches. Let me measure the fabric. This is 3 meter fabric. I ordered 3 meters of fabric and I received 10 centimeters extra. I received each of the fabric with excess of few centimeters than I ordered. Now I'm going to check whether the color bleed out of the fabric. I soaked the fabric in warm water. You can see the color didn't bleed. The quality is really good. Overall, the quality of the fabric is good, but I'm not satisfied with the packing. I'm so excited to do my projects with these beautiful fabrics. I hope you liked my video. If you liked my video, please share to your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.